Hello Vivekians, how are you all? A warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. Students, in the last video we have done the addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover and related word problems. And today we will continue this chapter with a new topic. And the topic is the addition of numbers by rounding off to the nearest tens and hundreds. Students, have you ever seen your parents or any other elder quickly adding number by rounding them? This may not help them to get the exact answer, but this gives them an estimate of the correct answer. तो correct answer तो नहीं मिलता, but near about number हमें वो बता देते, right? In estimation, the keywords are about, close to, almost, which help us to round off numbers. हमें नंबर्स को राउंड ऑफ करने में फिर हेल्प मिल जाती है, राइट? वी यूज़ एस्टिमेट व्हेन वी आर शॉपिंग और कुकिंग और व्हेन वी आर गेसिंग द अप्रॉक्सीमेट टाइम ऑफ द डे और वाइल कैलकुलेटिंग द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड. तो जब हम शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो हमारे पेरेंट्स कई बार बोलते हैं कि नियर अबाउट हमने इतनी मनी स्पेंड कर दी है, राइट? व्हेन वी आर गोइंग फॉर द वॉक कि हम अप्रॉक्सीमेट इतने किलोमीटर्स हम वॉक कर आए हैं, राइट? So, today's objective is to estimate the sum of any two numbers, right? So, open your maths course book to the page number 60 and write down today's date here. So, today we will do the addition by rounding off to the nearest tens and hundreds. So, let's do some questions related to this topic. So, our first question is, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10 and add them, right? So we are having the two numbers here in the A part, right? First of all we have to round off. सबसे पहले हम इन्हें round off करेंगे और फिर उन्हें हम add करेंगे, right? So have you remembered how to round off the numbers? Okay, let's round off these two numbers first. So the first number is 24. Have you remembered the steps? So the first step is, first of all you have to underline the ones place digit, right? Ones place digit को underline किया. Write down 0 at the ones place here. Okay. Now compare this number with 5. Whether it is smaller than 5 or equal to 5 or greater than 5. Yes. So the digit here is 4. Right, it is smaller than 4. So what is the next step? There will be no change at the tens place. So we can write down 2 as it is. So after rounding off 24, we get 20 here. Right? Now let us do 47. Right? Now what is the first step? Just underline the ones place. Second step, write down 0 at the ones place. Now compare the 7 with 5, right? As it is greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the tens place, right? So we can add 4 with 1 and we get 5 here, right? So after doing this rounding off, we have to write down it here. So here it is 20 and here it is 50. Now add these two numbers, right? So 0 plus 0 is 0 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes. So our answer is here 70. Right? Let's see one more part. The question is 146 plus 235. So we have to add these numbers by rounding off to the nearest 10. So what is the first step? We have to round off these two numbers one by one. So our first number is 146. What is the first step? We have to underline the ones place digit, right? This is our first step. Now second step is write down 0 at the ones place here, right? The next step is compare this digit, that means 6 with 5. Whether it is smaller than 5, greater than 5 or equal to 5. Yes, it is greater than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 at the ones place. So 4 will become 5 and rest of the digits we can write down as it is. तो बाकी के digit हम as it is लिख देंगे. Now our next number is 235. So now again the first step is to underline the ones place, right? The second step, write down 0 at the ones place here. Our third step is to compare this ones place digit with 5, as it is 5 here and that is equals to 5 only. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 at the tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and बाकी के जो digits बचे हैं उनको हम as it is लिखेंगे. So 2 will be remains 2 only, right? So we can write down here now 150 plus 240. Now add these two numbers. We get 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is, again you can do the same method. Keep 5 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. Now count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write down 9 here. Now 2 plus 1 is, what is the successor of 2? 3. So our answer is here 390, right? Now our second question is, add the following numbers by rounding off to the nearest 100, right? So our question is here 452 plus 323. तो यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले इनको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे टू द नियरेस्ट 100 and then we will add, right? So let us round off the numbers one by one to the nearest 100. So the number is first 452. So to round off to the nearest 100, what is the first step? The first step is to underline the tens place digit, right? So here the tens place digit is 5. तो यहाँ पर हमने इसको underline कर लिया. Now the second step is to write down 0 at the ones place, 0 at the tens place, and third step is compare this digit with 5, whether it is smaller than 5, greater than 5 or equal to 5, right? So the tens place digit here is 5. As it is equal to 5, what is the next step? Yes, we have to add 1 at the 100 place digit. So we can add 1 to the 4 and 1 plus 4 we get 500, right? So after rounding off 452 we get 500 here. Now our next number is 323. Again, what is the first step? We have to underline the tens place digit. This is our first step. Then we have to write down 0 at the ones place, then 0 at the tens place, and the next step is to compare this digit with 5, right? अब 2 क्या है? Smaller है 5 से, right? So whenever the tens place digit here is smaller than 5, then there will be no change at the 100 place. तो 100 place पर कोई भी change नहीं आएगा, right? So we can write down 3 as it is, right? So these are rounding of the numbers here. Okay, now write down both the numbers here. That is our 500 and our next is 300 and add them, right? So now it is 0 plus 0 is 0, as we have to start from the ones place only, right? Now the tens place is 0 plus 0 is, again it is 0 here, and the 100 place 5 plus 3 is 8, right? So our answer is 800. So this is the way to add the numbers by rounding off to the nearest 100. Hope this all the concept is clear to you now. So this is all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Now your homework is let's try 6 in your course book and might turn 6 in your practice book. Do practice regularly. Try to do your assignment yourself. Be independent. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye and take care.